The Rack Shop is proud to present this 1998 through 2007 Toyota Land Cruiser. We've just installed the Rhino-Rack Pioneer base rack system. This is using the new 6000 series platform, which is their most sleekest and aerodynamic platform to date. It's 83 inches long by 56 inches wide. There's also an option for a skinnier, more narrow version at 49 inches wide. This is using the RCH 6 leg and the QMVA 05 spacers, as well as the RCP02-BK fit kit. So originally this vehicle had the raised side rails, and once those were removed, we did have to make modifications to the roof trim because a different set of bolt holes are used. So you have to remove the trim, cut it back, and then swap out bolts and get that to fit. So anyways, this has just been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, please visit the link in the description below. That's going to be it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.